Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to import and export WordPress posts and articles. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is you can scroll on right here on our dashboard until you can see in here the option called Tools. On the Tools right here, you can see this option is called Import and Export. So for now, let's try to export. Let's click on this export right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see the export screen on your actual site. So you can choose what to export. You can choose all content. But since this video is about exporting post and article, let's choose this posts right here. You can also choose the category as well as the authors, the start date, and the status right here, like all, published, scheduled, and the likes. So you can choose in here your posts. Now from in there, just scroll down and click on this download export file. And then from in there, you should be able to export this particular file. As you can see, it's now downloaded. And you can see it right there. So it's been exported, and when you try to click on it, it will only appear as an XML, and in here you should be able to see in here this XML file for that. So let me close this, and then let's try to import it. So for example, let's click on this import right here. And then once you have done that, we should be able to see in here the import screen of WordPress itself. So we have in here the importer for blogger importer, categories, and tag, as well as everything right here. So what we can do in this is you can actually choose in here an actual app. Like for example, you can choose it in this blogger. Now this can import posts, pages, comments, and labels from blogger to WordPress as well. So if you want to import a post using XML, what you can do is you can use in here a specific type of that. Now I can see in here this WordPress. You can import posts, pages, comments, and the likes, but it's not yet installed. So click on this install now right here. And then once you have installed that, this will actually allow you to import. So click on this run importer. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here a new screen that will appear. So in here, just upload your file, click on this choose file, and then let's choose the file that we have actually downloaded earlier, which is this one. Click on open right here, and as you can see, it's been added. Click on this upload file and import. And then once you have done that, it should import the post that we have earlier. And in here, you just import the author, the assigned post is listing user. Then you can also download the attachment. And once you have done that, click on submit, and then you should be good to go. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, share, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.